Good morning, dear students. My name is Farhan Mazhar, and the exercise today in this video we are doing is exercise 5H. And this is our first episode on this exercise. The topic of this exercise is further trigonometric equations. The chapter number 5 is all about trigonometry. We are doing the solution of the course book of the pure maths 1. This is the syllabus content of the paper 1 of the Cambridge International AS Levels Mathematics 9709. So we are today working on the exercise 5H, and question number 1 we are going to attempt. Show that the equation cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 5 cos theta can be written in the form tan theta is equals to k. So we have to prove that this is tan theta equals to a constant. B part is hence solve the equation cos theta plus sin theta equals to cos theta for theta from 0 to 360. Okay, so the method is very simple. You see, what we will do, I will cos theta plus sin theta equals to 5 cos theta. I have to prove that the tan of theta will be equals to a constant. So cos theta plus sin theta equals to 5 cos theta. Divide all the terms with the cos theta because I want tan theta. So cos theta by the cos theta plus sin theta by the cos theta equals to 5 cos theta by the cos theta. Cos theta cancel, so you will have 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, that's tan theta, and cos theta cancels, you are left with the 5. So tan theta will be equals to 5 minus 1, so tan theta will be equals to 4. So that's the first part in which you have to prove that this equation can be reduced to simplify to tan theta equals to a number. So that's 4. Then he says solve that equation and get that theta answer from 0 to 360. So tan theta equals to 4, theta will be equals to tan inverse of the 4 when on your calculator. Your calculator must be set in degrees because this is in degrees. So the base angle will be, when you do the tan inverse, it is 75.96. So the base angle is 75.96. So this is positive. So the tan is positive in two places, in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant. In the first quadrant, the theta is equals to the base angle, and in the third quadrant, the theta is equals to 180 plus theta plus base angle. So theta here in the first quadrant will be 75.96 degrees, and in the third quadrant it will be 180 plus the base angle, so it will be 180 plus 75.96, and that will be 255.96. In the book, when I check the answer, they have written the answer in the 76 degrees and this answer as 256 degrees. So you can also write it like this. So this is how you will do the question number 1 of the exercise 5H. This is our first episode on this exercise. I hope you understand this question. So my dear students, now we are working on the question number 2 of the exercise 5H, and it says show that the equation 3 sine square theta plus 5 sine theta cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta can be written in the form 3 tan square theta plus 5 tan theta minus 2 equals to 0. This is the A part. We have to show this, and hence solve the equation 3 sine square theta plus 5 sine theta cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta for theta from 0 to 180. Okay, so here we have that solution. Okay, so you have 3 sine square theta plus 5 sine theta cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta. So I will divide every term with the tan square theta, because with the cos square theta, every term will be divided with the cos square theta. Why? Because I want here tan square theta. That's why I'm dividing every term with the cos square theta. So 3 sine square theta by cos sine square theta by cos square theta, that will be tan square theta. So when you divide 5 sine theta cos theta with the cos square theta, one cos theta will be cancelled, the other one sine theta by cos theta will be your tan theta. So you will have 5 tan theta equals to cos square theta and cos square theta, they will be cancelled with each other. You are left with the 2. Bring this 2 to this side. So this is the A part. This is the thing which they ask us to show, that this equation is equals to, can be shown in this form, 3 tan square theta plus 5 tan theta minus 2 equals to 0. Then they ask us to solve this equation, and okay, So because this equation can be written in this form, so I will do the midterm breaking. You see, multiply the extreme terms, that will be 6, and I will find out the pairs of the 6, that is 1 into the 6, 2 into the 3, and that's it. So we have to subtract, and I want that pair which gives me positive 5. So I'm going to take this 1 and 6. With the larger number, I will put positive. With the smaller number, I will put negative. I'm doing the midterm breaking, okay? So I can write it 3 tan square theta plus 6 tan theta minus tan theta minus 2 equals to 0. You remember the factorization? We are doing that. From the first two terms, I'm going to take 3 tan theta common. So in the bracket, we will have tan theta plus 2. From the last two terms, I will take minus 1 common. So I will have tan theta plus 2 in this bracket. Now this bracket can be taken as common, tan theta plus 2. And here you will have 3 tan theta. From here you will have minus 1. So these two brackets, they are multiplying with each other. So and their answer is 0. Their product is 0. So that means either the first bracket is 0 or the second bracket is 0 or both of them are 0. So I will make this bracket equals to 0. So tan theta plus 2 equals to 0. So tan theta is equals to minus 2. Theta will be equals to the tan inverse of the minus 2. Forget the negative, just take tan inverse of the 2. That will give you the base angle, which is 63.43. Because the tan is negative and we are looking from 0 to 180, tan is negative in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, the angle theta will be equals to 180 minus the base angle. So 180 minus 63.43, that gives you 116.56. 116.56 degrees is the answer. The other bracket was 3 tan theta minus 1 equals to 0. Tan theta will be equals to 1 by 3. Theta will be equals to tan inverse of 1 by 3. And your base angle will come out. You can do this on your calculator. And that will be 18.43. Because this is positive, that's why from 1 to 80, the tan is positive in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, the theta is equals to the base angle. So that's why the theta value will be 18.43. So I have checked this answer, sir. This answer is correct. I hope you understand this question. This is how you do the question number 2 of the exercise 5H. And this is our first episode on this exercise. So my dear students, now we are going to attempt the question number 3 of the exercise 5H. Question number 3 says, show that the equation 8 sine square theta plus 2 cos square theta minus cos theta equals to 6 can be written in the form 6 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. Hence, solve the equation 8 sine square theta plus 2 cos square theta minus cos theta equals 6 for theta from 0 to 360. So question number 3, and now we are going to solve. And here is the solution of the question number 3 on your screen. So it is written 8 sine square theta plus 2 cos square theta minus cos theta equals to 6. Because the expression and the equation we want to make, that equation is purely in the form of cos theta, in the terms of cos theta. So here sine square theta, that can be substituted with 1 minus cos square theta. According to the first identity, sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So you will have 8 bracket 1 minus cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta minus cos theta equals to 6. So it will become 8 minus 8 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta minus cos theta equals to 6. Minus 8 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta, this will become minus 6 cos square theta minus cos theta plus 8, and this come on this side and it becomes minus 6 equals to 0. So you will have minus 6 cos square theta minus cos theta plus 2 equals 0. Multiply every term with minus 1. So you will have 6 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. So this is my A part of this question. In the B part of this question, he wants me to solve this and give the theta answer from 0 to 360. So you can see this is a quadratic equation. So I will do the factorization. If you multiply the extreme terms, you get 12. The factors of the 12 which give you the two factors, which by multiplying give you 12, and by subtraction they give you plus 1, that is 4 and 3, plus 4 and minus 3. So I did the midterm breaking here, factorization. 6 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus 3 cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. From the first two terms, I can take the 2 cos theta common. So in the bracket we will have 3 cos theta plus 2. From the last two terms, I can take minus 1 common. So I will have in the bracket 3 cos theta plus 2 bracket close equals to 0. So now I can take this bracket common 3 cos theta plus 2, and in the other bracket I will have 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. The product of these two brackets is 0, so that means either the first bracket is 0 or the second bracket is 0 or both the brackets are 0. So I will make this first bracket equals to 0. So 3 cos theta plus 2 equals to 0. So cos theta will be equals to minus 2 by 3. So theta will be equals to the cos inverse of 2 by 3. In the same way, 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. Cos theta will be equals to 1 by 2. Theta will be equals to the cos inverse of the 1 by 2. So cos inverse of the 2 by 3, here we have negative, sorry. Okay. So when you take cos inverse of the 1 by 2, the base angle is 60. The cos, because this is positive, so from 0 to 360, the cos is positive in the first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. The angle in the first quadrant is equals to the base angle, so theta will be equals to 60. The angle in the fourth quadrant is equals to 360 minus the base angle. So 360 minus 60, that will give you 300. Theta is 300. Now the other cos inverse of the 2 by 3, when you do cos inverse of 2 by 3, you take positive 2 by 3, and that gives you the 48.2, which is the base angle. Because this is negative, so the cos is negative in the second quadrant and in the third quadrant. In the second quadrant, the angle theta is equals to 180 minus the base angle, so it will be 180 minus 48.2, so that will be 131.8. And in the third quadrant, the theta is equals to 180 plus the base angle, so it will be 180 plus the base angle, which is 48.2. So you add that, you get 228.2. So my answers are 60, 300, 131.8, and 228.2. So this is how you will do the exercise 5H. It's question number 3, and I hope you understand this. So my dear students, now we are going to attempt the question number 4 of the exercise 5H. This is our first episode on this exercise. Question number 4, he says, show that the equation 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 14 equals to 19 cos square theta can be written in the form of 4x square plus 19x minus 5 equals to 0, where x is equals to sine square theta. Hence, B part is hence solve the equation 4 sine 4 theta plus 14 equals to 19 cos square theta for theta 0 to 360. So let me solve this. Okay, so because here we have 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 14 equals to 19 cos square theta. Because I want this to be in the terms of this sine square theta, so what I will do is cos square theta, I will substitute it with 1 minus sine square theta. So you will have 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 14 equals to 19 bracket 1 minus sine square theta bracket close. So this will become 4 sine raised to power 4 theta raised to power 4 and theta plus 14 equals to 19. This 19 will multiply with both these terms. So 19 minus 19 sine square theta. You will have 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 19 sine square theta plus 14 and minus 19. I brought these two terms to that side. Okay, now you will have 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 19 sine square theta minus 5 equals to 0. So in the question they ask us that the sine square theta is equals to x. So if you take square on both the sides, so sine raised to power 4 theta will be equals to x square. So in this equation, in the sine raised to power 4 theta, I will write x square, and the sine square theta, I will write x. So you will have 4x square plus 19x minus 5 equals to 0. So that's the A part. In the B part, they ask us to solve this. Okay. So 4x square multiplied with minus 5, you get minus 20. And do the midterm breaking, because this is the quadratic equation. You can do the midterm breaking. Factorization 4x square plus 20x minus x minus 5 equals to 0. From the first two terms, you can take 4x common. So you will have x plus 5. From the last two terms, I can take minus 1 common. So in the bracket, you will have x plus 5. So you can take x plus 5 bracket common. So in the second bracket, I will have 4x minus 1. And these two brackets multiplying with each other, the answer is 0. When two brackets multiply, the answer is 0. The product is 0. That means either the first bracket is 0 or the second bracket is 0. So I will make both the brackets 1 by 1 equals to 0. So x plus 5 equals 0. So x will be equals to minus 5. So in the place of the x, I will substitute sine square theta. So sine square theta equals to minus 1. Take square root on both the sides. So you will have sine theta equals to the under root of the minus 5, which is not possible. So just forget this. Sine square theta is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. So sine square theta equals to 1 by 4. So take square root on both the sides. So sine theta will be equals to plus minus 1 by 2. So sine theta will be equals to the plus minus 1 by 2. Theta will be equal to sine inverse of the, just take 1 by 2. I want to find out the base angle. Forget this negatives. Base angle will be 30. Because this is positive and this is also negative, and the theta is from 0 to 360. So this angle can be in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, the theta is equals to the base angle, which is 30. In the second quadrant, the theta is equals to 180 minus the base angle. It will be 180 minus 30. That will be 50. So this is the answer. Okay. In the third quadrant, because it's positive and negative, so the values are in all the four quadrants. In the third quadrant, the theta is 180 plus the base angle. So it is 180 plus 30. That will be 210. And it is also present in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant, the theta is equals to 360 minus the base angle. So 360 minus 30, so that will be 330. So this is how you will do the question number 4 of the exercise 5H, and I hope you understand this. This is our first episode on the exercise 5H. We are solving the course book of the Pure Maths 1. The topic of this exercise is further trigonometric equations. The topic of this chapter is trigonometry. This is Cambridge International ASA Levels Mathematics 9709 paper 1. My name is Farhan Mazhar and I am from Sargodha, Pakistan. If you think that this video is helpful to you and this has made your study a little easier, please subscribe my channel, please like this video, please share the link of this video with your cousins, with your class fellows, anybody you know who needs this video. You see, when you like my video, when you share my video, when you comment on my video, this is a kind of appreciation and support for my work. Your appreciation and your support is very, very important for me. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.